Okay, vectors question 1. Like all of these questions, as I said to you first, all you have to do is label the diagram and label the diagram correctly to start off with. So we can see that A is this vector here, so therefore this vector here will also be A, this vector here will also be A, this vector here will also be A. Now I personally would pause the video now and try and define all of the vectors on there for yourself. I've done the A's for you. You can guess what you would start with next. So pause now. Okay, I would then go on to B's, and I can see B is this vector here, so therefore this is parallel in the same distance because it's a regular hexagon, so therefore I can fill that in with B. If I want to be as bold as this, I can fill that in as B as well, and also I can fill this in as B. Okay, they are all the same vectors. I have no idea what this vector is or this vector, and actually, as it turns out, I don't need to know either. Let's have a look at the actual question now. They want you to find OB, so O to B. We can see we have to travel from O to A plus A to B. We can see that is A plus B. A plus B. The next vector we're asked for is AC. A to C, that's AO plus OC. Now OC is easy because OC is just the vector B. AO is not the vector A, it's the minus vector of that, so it's the vector minus A. We can see the answer like this, or maybe like that, because it's actually neater. Let's move to the last one, EC. Okay, let's have a look at EC. EC is from here to here. I'm going to go the way that it's defined, so I'm going to go EF plus FO plus OC. That is vector A plus vector B plus vector B. Now lots of people leave their answers like this. That's incorrect. It's only worth 1 mark. They expect you to simplify this, not leave it as A plus B plus B. That actually equals A plus 2B, and that's the answer that they require. So, let's have a look at the more complicated questions. Okay, the more complicated questions here. The positions of point P and Q are given by these vectors. Draw and label the positions of P and Q on your diagram. So, OP, if I write this up here, OP is equal to A minus B. So if we're at O and we go A and then take away B, we can see it's the opposite of plus B, so it's going to be down here. So that must be where point P is, because that is the vector B. It's exactly the same vector as this one, but it's just in the same direction. So that's why this is a minus B, because we're going backwards down it. Now the next question is OQ, and you know OQ is equal to A plus 2B. So OQ is this O, because that's OA, which is A, that's that bit, and then two of these, two B's, so B and then another B. And you should find Q is somewhere up there, because that is the vector B. That's the vector B, so you've travelled A plus 2 lots of B. That's what this is. So P should be here.